Understanding decrease by a factor, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that often pops up in both everyday and academic English. Decrease by a factor. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we're here to break it down into simple terms. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and usage of this phrase together. When we say something decreases by a factor, we're talking about reducing its size, amount, or number to a specific portion of its original value. The word factor here refers to a numerical value that we use to quantify the reduction. It's a way to describe proportional decrease in a clear and precise manner. For example, if a city's population decreases by a factor of 2, it means the population is reduced to half its original size. Similarly, if the brightness of a light decreases by a factor of 10, it becomes 10 times less bright than before. The concept of decreasing by a factor is deeply rooted in mathematics. It involves division, where the original quantity is divided by the specified factor to find a new, reduced value. Let's simplify it. Original value, the starting point before any decrease. Factor, the number by which the decrease is quantified. New value, the result after the decrease. If a quantity decreases by a factor of x, you can find the new value by dividing the original value by x. It's a straightforward calculation that can be applied to many different scenarios, from science and economics to daily life. Let's put our knowledge into practice with some examples. 1. Financial savings. If you're told that your expenses need to decrease by a factor of 3, that means you should spend only 1/3 of what you currently spend. 2. Environmental impact. If a company reduces its carbon emissions by a factor of 4, it's cutting down its emissions to 1/4 of their original amount. 3. Cooking recipes. If a recipe is too large and you need to decrease the ingredients by a factor of 2, you'll simply use half of each ingredient listed. These examples show how the concept of decreasing by a factor can be applied in various contexts, making it a useful expression to understand and use. And that's a wrap on decrease by a factor. We hope this video has illuminated how this phrase works and how you can apply it in different situations. Whether you're reading an academic article, managing your budget, or simply trying to understand news reports, recognizing and understanding this term can be incredibly helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own scenarios. See you in our next video.